Call yourself fat, but not others. How do you talk about people's appearance? Fat, heavy, overweight? You say with me to get familiar with more practical English words or phrases. Number one is fat. You can call yourself fat, but it is absolutely impolite for others. Example, oh, I'm getting really fat. You need to go on a diet. You are getting fat and overweight. But don't call others fat. She is a little fat. No, it is absolutely impolite and it is not good. The next one is overweight. It is, of course, more polite. Oh, she's a little overweight. And we don't say she is a little fat. No, she is a little overweight. And heavy, big, or large. We use these adjectives to describe someone who looks strong, uh, big, or fat. A heavy woman in her 50s. A heavy woman in her 50s. Or he's a big guy in the company. The other word is obese. We use this word to describe somebody who is extremely fat. And of course, this situation, it is dangerous for their health. She was definitely obese. She was definitely obese, or she was obese, very fat, and she didn't look healthy in appearance. And this, chubby. We use this word for young people. A baby, especially, or a child who looks slightly fat, but they look attractive. A chubby blonde girl. Or we say he's got chubby cheeks, especially for babies or kids. And this word, plump, for a woman or a young person, especially when they are slightly fat but attractive. For example, his grandma was a plump and kind woman. And the last one, tubby, for short and fat people, especially when they are fat around the stomach. I saw a short, tubby man yesterday. Remember, don't call people fat if you want to talk and look polite in speaking English. Subscribe our channel if you find the video useful. Stay with us and try to remember lingowizard.net. I'm so happy that you are here with me. Please don't forget to stay with us for more phrases and vocabulary in learning English skills. Have a nice time. Bye for now.